Skylar went to her first Valentine's Day party today, and she made a little bag, and she just woke up from her nap, and now she was gonna look at her Valentines.
Oh.
What do you have there? Are those Valentines from your friends?
Yes, Mommy.
Who did they come from? Do you know any of the people they came from?
And I opened it.
Do you want? Can I read it to you?
Yeah. It's me. And look, Mommy.
What is it?
I didn't pop it.
Jake and the Pirates fruit snacks?
Yeah, Mama. And look, Mommy. What I got.
Oh.
And look, I got.
That says from Addie. That's from Adeline. You know little Adeline?
Yeah.
Definitely can tell you just woke up. What's on your bag? Did you decorate that bag?
Yeah.
What did you put on it?
Everything, Mommy.
What is that? It says to Skylar from Owen.
What's this one?
It says to Skylar.
I almost flipped it.
Flip it over. What's it say? From Isaac. You're getting a lot of Valentine's Day from boys, young lady.
There's someone in it, Mommy.
Who's in there?
Jake.
From Jake and the Pirates?
Yeah. I do love breakfast.
Okay. Do you want to sit and have Mommy read them to you now?
Look, Mommy, I found some of it.
Okay. Say ta-ta for now. Can you say ta-ta for now? Or do you want to say toodles?